Hey man, did you see those little hotties at the park on the way in?
Yay, they were so cute and not apparent in sight. Don't they know we are out here looking for young meat?
They hang the little redhead, what she is 10 about, I want her.
She is on your base. I talked to her today. I think we can talk her into a date you in.
I got the perfect place to take her to. Wonder if she can get a friend.
I will ask her. She thinks I am 14 and want to just hang. Hey, thanks for the heads up on the song. She really likes Bad Boys Inc. I will try and hook up later today.
How about 5 we can get a room at the Notel on Route 7. It doesn't have cameras and the manager doesn't pay attention. Just get a room in back.
You're on later. Back to work for now.
This is how easy it is to get young victims. Please keep your kids safe from perverts like we pretended to be. If we were real, would you have ever known?
Too many children all prey to internet pedophiles and end up at the least and over their heads at worst, dead and everywhere in between.